Flowers aren't the only things in bloom this time of year. Yard signs are popping up across the county. And although these can be useful when placed appropriately, improperly placed yard signs, including those used for personal, professional, or political purposes, can create safety hazards, interfering with a driver's vision and attention along the roadways. In addition, they also slow the Road Commission's mowing efforts and other roadside maintenance activities. When a driver approaches an intersection, it's important that their full attention is focused on safely navigating the roadway, looking for traffic in either direction, and keeping an eye out for pedestrians and cyclists approaching on a trail or sidewalk. A yard sign placed at an intersection or too close to the road's edge not only causes a visual obstruction, but pulls the driver's focus away from what they should be concentrating on. Improperly placed signs also impact roadside maintenance. KCRC deploys a fleet of mowers to address the growing vegetation along the edge of the road. Our equipment travels no more than 5 miles per hour and has to cover right-of-way along nearly 5,000 miles of road. Now imagine that the mower must stop every time a sign blocks the path. That significantly reduces the miles covered every day. To avoid issues, signs should be placed at least 15 feet from the paved surface and be no larger than 9 square feet. No sign should be placed in marked vision corners, typically equating to at least 150 feet from the intersection with another public street. Although KCRC does not actively seek to remove signs, we do reserve the right to remove those we determine to be a safety hazard or obstruction of operations. Signs can be a useful tool to convey information, but let's make sure their placement doesn't overshadow the message.